Hello Windows Universe! In this video we will look at how to hide the app list in the Start menu in Windows 10. For a more in-depth look at the topic, we will link an article in the description down below. To get started, go to the Start menu, go to Settings, go to Personalization, go to Start menu, look for Show App List in Start menu and turn it off. As you can see, the problem this should work. If you wish to re-enable it, go back into Settings, Personalization, Start, and simply toggle it back on. For more helpful hacks to make your Windows experience so much better, go to our website, windowsclub.com. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel where we are always adding new content to help you become the master of your digital universe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.